All right, we got the Sabre Cobalt, the Sweet 16 edition. Look how beautiful this trailer. Outdoor kitchen, solid steps. It comes with every option even available on any trailer. Solar. You can do everything from your phone. It's got the computer control system. Sleeper sofas, fireplace, upgraded lighting. But you're not gonna believe this. I mean, come on, this is a beauty. This has got 2 upstairs sleeping lofts, a king bedroom with washer and dryer connections. But look at this. How cool is this? Look at this. This is massive. Massive. What a beautiful trailer. And a nice bathroom to go with it.